Hey y'all, this is Angie. Welcome back to my old country kitchen, where today we're going to be making a strawberry shortcake poke cake. And we're going to use Dolly Parton's cake mix. We all love Dolly, don't we? Yes, we do. And you're going to need this, and a strawberry pie filling, and some more ingredients that are in the fridge or the freezer. So let's get our kitchen tools and ingredients and let's make this. I hope you're hungry. Cinnamon's such a sweetheart. She's got what I need out on the table here. And here's the closer look at the recipe. So this is our strawberry shortcake poke cake. Cut us a piece out to try. Let's try this Dolly Parton's perfectly moist vanilla strawberry shortcake poke cake. Ooh, I wish I could send you some cake through the camera so you kind of got more premium ingredients for this cake. It is just super delicious. I'm gonna try with the Cool Whip and the pie filling and the extra strawberry. Y'all, this is so super delicious. And there's the recipe again for the strawberry shortcake poke cake. But if you want some, you're gonna have to make it. So thank you all for joining me, and we'll see you later.